Uh, yes, inside. Oh. I'm sorry that we couldn't go out like we'd planned. I had no idea that it would start storming. I know. Are you alright? You didn't get too soaked out there, did you? Okay. Um. Well, I suppose that, our plans for, uh, today are, completely ruined. I really am sorry we couldn't go bird watching or to the beach like we'd planned. I should have checked the weather before we went out today. I know, I shouldn't blame myself, but you're right. Well, at least we're inside now and we're dry. Although we don't have a lot we can do. Um. Hmm. How about we just relax together instead? We could watch some movies and get some food or make some ourselves. Or I could cook for you instead. How about, homemade burgers? We still have ground beef from the... No? Okay then, what were you thinking instead? Mm, let you cook. But... Oh, no! No, I didn't mean it like that. I like your cooking. I don't want you to have to do all the work. I know, sweetheart. You've just been working so hard lately, and I just want you to be able to relax. You're right, this day was about the both of us. I'm sorry. Well, why don't we, get in some warmer clothes? I think the weather might get even worse. Good thing that we're inside, right? Hmm? Oh, is there something you wanted? Uh, mm, mm. Well, I wasn't expecting that. A pleasant surprise, though. All right, you can cook. What were you thinking? Hmm. Yes, stew does sound nice. It's still pretty early, so I think if you start it now, it should be done by 6. But you need to at least let me help. You only have 2 hands, and stew requires more than just 1 or 2 ingredients. I know you know. Well, that should be everything, and you can just let it simmer until it's ready. Great. It already smells amazing, babe. I think the wind's starting to pick up outside. Good thing we have a nice warm meal prepared by the best cook in the world. You are the best. Or you're at least my favorite. Come on, let's go sit down and relax until the food's ready. I was serious about you being my favorite cook. I've always loved your food. It's... I'm not sure what's different about it. Maybe it's because it's made by one of my favorite people in the world. Do you remember when I first asked you out? Yes, at that dinner party. Oh, it was so embarrassing, honestly. You'd think I was a high schooler. Well, I still think those scones you made were the best food in the entire party. You are very warm. Is it strange that that's one of the things that I love about you? The fact that you're just so warm and... what's the word to describe it? Wholesome... No, that's not the right word. I can't think of a word. You just... when you smile and your eyes and... it's too difficult to explain, to be honest, but... you're just amazing, and to me, you're perfect. You're just... you, I suppose, and even with all your flaws, which are very few, by the way, despite what you might protest, you're just... I'm sorry, I'm getting all sappy again. Skelecat? Oh, please. I am no feline. But I suppose around you I do sort of just melt. I can't help it. So, Master Chef, what do you want to watch? Well, I wouldn't call myself a Master Chef. I'm an okay cook, not the best, but I've been improving since you started helping me learn. A fantasy movie does sound nice. Which one were you thinking? You can't decide. Well, we have the Princess Bride. We've got, maybe not that one. A couple of animated ones, some older classics. We can think on it. Sorry, just... I really like it when you touch my face like that. Your hands are so nice. ask you a bit of a strange question? When I when I first showed you what my eyes really look like, did you find them strange at all? I don't know, a random thought that popped into my head. I see. You found them a bit odd at first, but you thought they looked pretty. Well, I don't think I've ever heard anyone call my eyes pretty before. No, I like it. Your eyes are pretty too. Mm. Well, I suppose the all black whites would throw some people off. After all, I'm a spooky, scary skeleton sometimes, and others I'm a man with some very interesting scars. Maybe that's another reason why I like you. You love me despite those scars, despite the fact that I'm not even a human anymore. I love you. My perfect, wonderful, sweet, amazing, gorgeous angel. Oh, I could go on. My perfect, wonderful, sweet, amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, loving, perfect, all the other adjectives I could think of are a bit, no, I'm not going to say those. Oh, you figured out what you wanted to watch? A good pick. Castle in the Sky it is, then. It's been a while since we've actually seen that one, I think. Before I go and put it in, I have one more thing to say that is very important. I love you.